In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close multiple open windows in Revit architecture. If you've been modeling for a while, chances are your screen is covered with plan views, elevations, 3D views, and sheets. That clutter makes it harder to focus and can even slow your session down. The quickest way to clean things up is built right into Revit, and it takes just a moment once you know where to look. First, make sure the view you want to keep is the one that's active. The active view is simply the tab that's currently in front, highlighted on your screen. Maybe it's your main floor plan, a key section, or a coordination 3D view, whatever you need to continue working in. Keeping this view active tells Revit, "This is the one I'm working on, keep this open." Next, head to the View tab on the ribbon. The ribbon is the toolbar running along the top of Revit, organized into tabs like Architecture, Structure, Insert, and so on. Click View to reveal all the tools related to how your project is displayed. Within the View tab, look for the Windows panel. This panel groups the commands for arranging and managing your open views. You'll see options for tiling, cascading, switching windows, and the command we want today. Now click Close Inactive Views. In some versions of Revit, you might see it labeled Close Hidden Windows. Either way, it does the same thing. The moment you click it, Revit closes every open view except the one you currently have active. Think of it like sweeping all the extra tabs off your desk while leaving the one you're using front and center. A quick note for those of you juggling multiple projects at once. If you have more than one Revit project file open, this command will leave one view open per project. That way, each project stays accessible without overwhelming your workspace. You're not closing any projects or deleting views, you're simply closing the extra view windows. All your views remain in the project browser and can be reopened anytime. This small cleanup has a big impact. It reduces visual noise, makes the project browser easier to navigate, and can help Revit feel more responsive by limiting the number of views it needs to manage. Anytime your interface starts to feel crowded, repeat this process. Activate the view you want to keep, go to the View tab, find the Windows panel, and click Close Inactive Views. That's all there is to it. With this simple command, you'll keep your workspace clear, your attention focused, and your projects running smoothly.